Let's talk about how to work with 3 Nano Slope. It consists of 3 classic PMU taper needles of various lengths, arranged in descending order. Let's start the first movement by using a sweep type of movement. Let's place our machine at a 45-degree angle in order to have all needles in the latex. And we are continue to use sweep movements. We are going to use this movement a lot to fill in very quickly larger areas like lips. Will also give us a great color saturation. The second movement is the pendulum type of movement, going back and forth. But in this case, by keeping the machine at the 90 degrees, the first needle will enter into the skin, and the second needle also add more color. So it will also leave a lot of color in the skin as well. Our third movement is a line type of movement. Let's clean the latex and see the result obtained with the 3 movements. The Nano Slope is perfect for hair strokes, eyebrow shading techniques, eyeliner, eyelash enhancement, eyeshadow, lip contour, full lips, and areola.